All right, guys, so I got my pre-order in. So this is the MAVIC Air 2 combo kit. Now you get the controller, you get the MAVIC Air 2, and the battery already is in the MAVIC Air. Then you get 2 more batteries. This is the charger, the cord. This is the smart charger. And what this does is it'll charge, let's just say I'll put all 3 batteries on here. And then I want to charge them up. So whichever one is the most full, that is the one that'll finish first. So that way I can be able to get it in the air as quick as possible. So this is a smart charger, if you will. And these are the filters for when you're flying. If it's really sunny, or depending on how you want to shoot, you might want to do some shooting at night or something like that. These different filters are the one you use. So you should have 256, 64, and 16. So if you don't know about these, you need to do some research on those. This right here is what you can plug into a battery to charge your phone. So it plugs in like this, and you can plug your phone in here and charge your phone while you're flying or something like that. That's how that works. That's what this adapter is for. These are extra tips for depending on which kind of phone you have. So there's a Type-C, and so you pull this up, and down in here there's a iPhone cable and a Type-C cable, and you'll put your phone in here because your phone's gonna latch in like so. So you know it's just gonna grip in the center here. So that's how that works. These controllers were not on here; they're actually stored at the bottom down there. So you've got your camera, and then you've got like a zoom right here. So if you want to take photos or video, boom, there you go. You can actually use the application too. I'll be using the application. This controller looks a little different. No longer does it hang at the bottom, which I think is pretty cool. You do get an extra set of controllers as well. That's nice. You get extra sets of propellers. And that's pretty much it. I think I got everything out of the box. And then here's the bag that you get. Since this is the bundle, this bundle costs $9.99. You can see how you store it all the way in here. Yeah, it's little compartments and everything where you can put everything away. But this bundle costs $9.99 or $9.89 or something like that, $9.88, $1,000. So I suggest that you get this bundle over any of the other bundles, because or instead of just getting a single, I should say, because what's going to happen is you're going to start flying and you're going to want to get another battery. And these batteries they say 35 minutes, but mark that down to about 20 to 30 minutes, possibly 25 minutes you'll get out of this. So that's why I say if you should get a bundle, get the bundle. It's totally worth it. It's totally worth, just these batteries alone are probably going to be over $100 each. So you might as well just get everything right off the rip in the bundle. So I'm going to get this charged up. I just wanted to show it to you. I actually had done an unboxing, and then my GoPro had an error on the card. So I got to get a new card, but I had to format the card and all the footage was gone. But nonetheless, here is the MAVIC Air 2. So you go out and out and out and out. And that's how you take a battery out. So again, you get 3 batteries with this setup, which is super nice, folks. But here's the drone. So you want to push down here to take this off of the camera. The camera's right there. This does do 4K 60 and then also 8K slow motion, I believe, or something like that. So this is gonna be really nice, man. I'm really excited to get this bad boy in. So I'll get it charged up and I'll start flying. It's been windy out, so this has actually been sitting in the box for quite some time, man. It's been sitting, and I just hadn't really done anything with it. So, but we're gonna get it fired up, man. We're gonna get some drone footage for you. One thing is, make sure when you're putting your propellers on, that you're putting them on the right one. You have to go B for B, A for A, but you got to put them on the right one, or it won't fly right. My other drones, I messed up and put the wrong, I wasn't paying attention, and I put the wrong one on, and it messed up. But nonetheless, MAVIC Air 2 combo, this is what I recommend you get. So hopefully you guys got your pre-order in too. And I'll see you in the next one. I gotta look for my other set of sticks. I get another set of sticks in here. I don't know where they're at. I gotta look for them. This is just a grip right here, but you also have a camera button there and a function button here, and you install the application and you'll be good to go. So I'm gonna get this charged up. These just kind of screw off like this, and then they go in place like that. So I've had plenty of drones, but I've never had a DJI drone. So we'll see how this works, man. I'm gonna get all of this charged up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. All right, guys, so a quick test flight for you. You have to press this button once, then press it again. Then that'll turn it on. Same thing down here. So it'll fire up. You connect to the drone. Just giving you a little tour there, making sure that it's ready to go. It says I'm able to connect. I don't know why. Uh-oh, go to fly. There we go. So it's checking everything, and then you'll be cleared permit for takeoff. So when you're permitted for takeoff, you just press this, or you can press that one, I'm sorry. Then hold this, and you get liftoff. And then, when you want to land, press this, hold this, and it'll land down. There you go. So that's a quick test flight for you. This is actually really cool, man. You want to go into your safety and settings and everything, and for your maximum available, you want to set it to just really high, but since we're indoors, it doesn't really matter. There's tutorials and everything that comes up when you first fire this up. So you make sure you want to go to right up here to the top right and go to settings and go through all of this right here to set it the way you want to set it. So other than that, quick test flight indoors. Again, I couldn't take it outside because there's a wind advisory right now. So this is actually pretty cool. I think the MAVIC Air 2 is going to be fun once I can get it out there and take it out and about. But for now, just wanted to give you a quick test flight, right? Right. We would have a wind advisory today. Like literally, folks, it is super windy outside. So I was pretty mad about that, but what can I do? Anyway, the controls are super easy. And I'll give another follow-up video once I'm ready to take this bad boy outside. Anyway, quick video. There it is, MAVIC Air 2.